Morning. Today Phil and I are going down to a beach to go and do an activation, and I thought I might as well just show you how much stuff there is to take. Well, we're not on the minimalistic side, so in this bag, because it's the beach, I've got 3 of these long pegs to go in to anchor the mast, and then I've got 2 of these spiral pegs which I use to tie the end of the antenna. I've got 2 antennas. I've got my link dipole that does all the way to 60 meters, and I've also got my Geotech, what I call the bunny ears, the antenna that does from 20 meters to 70 centimeters. I've got my small Sota beam 6-meter mast. Here's the Geotech antenna. It's actually quite a nice bag, everything just fits. I've got 3 links of coax, 1 for each antenna and a spare. I've got my battery. I'll put the radios in now. Most importantly, I've got coffee. I've got lots and lots of coffee. So, almost ready. It's now 7:35 and we're starting at 9:30, and from here it's about 25 minutes. So I've just got to put in petrol. I've got petrol on the farm, so I'll just put some petrol in. I'm down to 2 bars, so I'll put in half a tank and then we go. So it's going to be a good day. It's not raining. It's overcast, but it's not raining, so that's always good. Alright, I will see you later. So I'm on my way. I allowed a lot of extra time today. I've got hour and a quarter, hour and a half before we activate. So there's lots of time and it's only 20 minutes away. And interesting thing this morning, I couldn't find my 10-meter mast. I don't know where I've put it. All the others are together, but I couldn't find the 10-meter. Anyway, I put the 12-meter in. I don't know if we're going to need it, but it's in. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's been a while since I've done an activation. Should be fun. I think I'm probably going to go with a 6-meter today. I've got the 12-meter here, but yeah, let's just see what happens. Okay, there's the link dipole. I added on a link on my one to do 60 meters as well. So if we can't get through on 40, we'll go to 60. And of course the flask is waiting. Interesting, on a previous video I got a comment by some half-wit who said the fact you drink coffee is irrelevant to me, stick to the subject. Yeah, so he disappeared quite quick. You can always block people, I guess. Yeah, the weather's changed. It started to rain again. So the awning is out. And it should work. It should work. Now just to put the antenna up.
ZL4GW, ZL4 Golf Whiskey.
There was ZL4 Golf Whiskey and a ZL1. I missed the one's call sign, but ZL4 Golf Whiskey, go ahead.
Yes, good morning. My name is Greg, Golf Romeo Echo Golf, and you are 5 and 8 in Dunedin, over.
Oh, thanks Greg. Name's Greg this side as well, so that's a coincidence. And you're also 5 and 8, so amazing. Anyway, you're really coming through nicely. Thanks for the call. ZL4 Golf Whiskey, ZL1GUD.
Yes, ZL1GUD, ZL4GW. You're fine, Greg. Yeah, not very often I meet another Greg, but very nice to chat, and good luck. ZL4GW clear.
73s. The other station, ZL1.
Zulu Lima 1, Hotel India Mike. Good morning, Greg.
Hi, good morning. How are you? How are you, Ian?
Yeah, good, mate. I was going to give you... Yeah, she just went a few over 9 there with me, a bit of QSB, buddy, but yeah, cranking in here, Greg, this morning, over.
Yeah, you 5-9 into Christchurch. CQ, this is ZL1GUD calling CQ parks on the air.
ZL1GUD, ZL1 Echo Charlie Golf.
ZL1 Echo Charlie Golf. I got to write it down, otherwise I'll miss it. You're 5-9 plus into Christchurch. The North Island stations are booming through. The rain has stopped, but if I didn't have the awning, I would have been drenched. So anyway, that's why we do it. So have a great day and thanks for the call. ZL1GA. You want to take it, Phil?
ZL1 Lima Delta.
ZL1 Lima Delta, good morning, ZL1GUD.
Good morning, you're a 5 and a 7 into Auckland this morning, over.
CQ, this is ZL1GUD calling CQ parks on the air.
Zulu Lima 1, Kilo Lima Foxtrot.
Zulu Lima 1, Kilo Lima Foxtrot, good morning to you.
ZL1 DD, ZL4 Romeo Oscar Bravo. Do you copy me, over?
Oh, loud and clear, ZL4 Romeo Oscar Bravo. From ZL1GUD, you're 5-9 into Christchurch, over. I'm handing back to ZL3PAE, my co-conspirator. He's about 30 meters away in the car, so I'm handing over to him. Thanks for the call, Rob, ZL1GUD. Okay, I never filmed all the activations, which was a bit silly, or all the contacts. But it poured with rain. It really poured. I think most of it's off the awning now, but thank goodness for the awning, otherwise I couldn't have done this. And yeah, we did quite well. I had 23 contacts, mostly on 40 meters and only one on 20. 20, quite a lot of QSB. 40 meters into central North Island was all 5-9 plus. It was really great signals. Okay, motorbikes are moving off. Yeah, it was really fun, and it was nice being out again. So thanks for all the chases, and we'll catch you again.